Hello, students. Today, we are going to learn some important terms related to crop production and management. Please do like, share, and subscribe Jake Academy for more such videos. Hi, everyone. I'm your friend, here to explain some super important words from your science chapter, Crop Production and Management. These words will help you understand how farmers grow the food we eat. So let's dive in with a big smile and learn together. Agricultural practices. These are the steps farmers take to grow crops, like preparing the soil, sowing seeds, and watering plants. Think of it as a recipe for growing healthy crops. Animal husbandry. This is when farmers take care of animals like cows, goats, or chickens to get food like milk, eggs, or meat. It's like giving animals a comfy home so they can give us yummy food. Crop. A crop is a group of the same plants grown together in a field, like wheat or rice. Imagine a big field full of just one type of plant. Fertilizer. Fertilizers are chemicals made in factories that give plants nutrients like nitrogen or phosphorus to grow strong. But too much can harm the soil, so we use them carefully. Granaries. These are special places where farmers store grains after harvesting, like big storehouses to keep rice or wheat safe from pests and rain. Harvesting. This is when farmers cut or pull out mature crops from the field, like wheat or paddy, after they're fully grown. It's like picking ripe fruits from a tree. Irrigation. Irrigation means giving water to crops at the right time. It's super important because plants need water to grow, just like we do. Kharif. Kharif crops are grown during the rainy season, from June to September. Examples are paddy, maize, and cotton. They love all that rainwater. Manure. Manure is a natural fertilizer made from animal waste or plant remains. It makes the soil rich and helps plants grow without harming the environment. Plow. A plow is a tool used to turn and loosen the soil before planting seeds. It can be wooden, pulled by bulls, or modern, driven by tractors. Rabi. Rabi crops are grown in the winter season, from October to March. Think of wheat, gram, or mustard thriving in cooler weather. Seeds. Seeds are what farmers plant to grow crops. Good, healthy seeds give better crops, so farmers choose them carefully. Silo. A silo is a tall structure used to store large amounts of grains safely, protecting them from pests and moisture. It's like a giant grain jar. Sowing. Sowing is planting seeds in the soil. Farmers use tools like seed drills to place seeds at the right depth and distance for healthy growth. Storage. Storage is keeping harvested grains safe from pests, insects, and moisture. Farmers dry grains and use silos or jute bags to store them. Threshing. Threshing is separating the grain seeds from the chaff, the outer part of the crop. Machines like combines make this job easier. Weeds. Weeds are unwanted plants that grow with crops and steal their water and nutrients. They're like uninvited guests in the field. Weedicide. Weedicides are chemicals sprayed to kill weeds without hurting crops. Farmers use them carefully to keep themselves safe. Winnowing. Winnowing is a way to separate grains from chaff by using wind or a machine. It's like letting the wind blow away the lighter bits. That's it, friends. These words are the key to understanding how farmers grow our food. Try saying them out loud, and you'll be a crop production expert in no time. Keep learning and have fun. That's it for today. Keep learning and stay curious. Please do like, share, and subscribe Jake Academy for more such videos.